It's 1 o'clock, and there's a strange, eerie sound going on in the air. This is Springfield, Mass, and it's crazy. Shit sounds really crazy. I don't know what it is, but I know it's a sign probably from the end times or something, but it sounds louder and louder each time you guess.